Today I stand here as living proof that change is possible. Not easy, not instant, but real. It's where discipline has to replace motivation, where excuses are exposed and where growth feels uncomfortable. But that's where change begins.
I believe I found my purpose, and that is to be out of jail, to be there for my kids. Because growing up without a dad sucks. And the only way that I can break that generational curse is through me.
I've learned healthier ways to cope with my trauma, how to control my anger, how to take responsibility of my actions. I've learned the importance of respect, discipline, and building positive relationships.
Grace has created and provided a safe space for me to heal, to be heard, to be loved, and to be myself once again. So I just want to give a big thanks to Papa Dave and his family for the platform they have created for us, for giving us a second chance at life, giving us a chance to be heard, giving us a chance to heal.
I wasn't always on the right path. There was a time in my life where I made choices that led me in the wrong direction. Coming into Grace Foundation didn't magically fix everything, but it gave me an opportunity to step back, to learn, and to start making better choices.
As judges, we chose the youth court. We chose the youth court because within that space, we see the biggest potential, with a heart for our people, with a heart for community, with a deep, deep, deep belief in the potential in all of us. And some of that is being unleashed here at Grace. In most cultures, when one succeeds, we all succeed. But when one person fails, we all fail. Because if we're looking behind us and you're not there, we got to stop. We come to learn, we come to listen, and we come with the biggest hopes and dreams for the journeys and the outcomes that you're searching for.
I have to say that over the last few months I have been blown away by the absolute tautoko, commitment and aroha of the Grace Foundation. You could feel the power, the wairua and the love that exists within this rōpū.
One thing we know, and that is we don't have the answers. The system does not have the answers. Community has the answers.
I heard many of you say today that, you made wrong decisions, and I kept thinking, you made wrong decisions because you were never shown the right way.
No problem will ever be solved in the same consciousness that created it. Kia ora.